Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a very intricate greeting card. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need heavy cardstock, a sharp craft knife, and a self-healing cutting mat. Also, select some beautiful decorative papers, strong adhesives, and any embellishments you wish to use. Think about your complex design idea now, perhaps a detailed pop-up or a multi-layered scene. Now, let's move to the design and cutting phase. Begin by sketching your intricate design onto your chosen cardstock, or use a pre-made template for guidance. With extreme care, use your craft knife to precisely cut out all the individual elements. Remember, accuracy is key for a professional finish. Next, score all your fold lines using a scoring tool to ensure perfectly crisp and clean folds. With all your pieces cut, it is time for assembly and layering. Apply a strong, quick-drying adhesive very sparingly to attach your smaller, intricate elements. Begin building up your layers, carefully placing each piece to create impressive depth and a beautiful three-dimensional effect. Take your time to ensure all the components align perfectly, as this attention to detail will result in a truly polished and professional-looking card. Finally, it is time to add those special finishing touches and embellishments. You can incorporate elements like fine glitter, delicate ribbons, or tiny die-cut shapes to enhance your design. Once your card is fully assembled and embellished, write your heartfelt, personal message neatly inside. Remember to allow all the adhesives to dry completely, ideally for at least 30 minutes, before presenting your magnificent handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.